How to replace a wood stove damper. Make sure the replacement damper is the same size as the old one. Mine is 8 inches across. To remove the pin, push in on the spring and turn the handle. Place the pin in the hole and let the end hang down. Reach into the stove and place the damper on the pin. It helps to have a good work light to do this. Look for the hole for the other end of the pin. It's easy to see if the room is lit. Slide the pin into the hole. Brace the damper so it can't move. I used a metal fence post to do this. Push in on the spring and turn the handle until you can feel the pin catch. Make sure the pin is held snugly in place. When it is, the handle will be horizontal when the damper is closed and vertical when the damper is open. You're done. Time to clean up and take a shower.